11th क्लास कंप्यूटर इम्पॉर्टेंट गेस्ट पेपर अहम मुख्तसर सवालात यूनिट 1 आप स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं। Differentiate between data and information. What is information technology? What is meant by global village? Differentiate between hardware and software. Enlist data gathering techniques. How daisy wheel printer does work. What is meant by direct and indirect input? How does a pointed stick work? Why we need training of user for a new system? Define digital convergence. How does trackball work? Why is it important to test a system before use? What is input device? Differentiate between soft copy and hard copy. What is printer? What is application software? What is barcode reader? Differentiate between byte and byte. How is printer resolution measured? What is the use of MICR? How do you mean by query? How does a mouse work? Define microphone. What is package software? What is digital camera? What is OCR and OMR? Define laser printer. What is caps lock? What is enter or return key? Differentiate between insert and override mode. Unit 2. What is purpose of presentation layer? What is extranet? What is WAN? Give an example. Why we use work group computing, in which switching gateway is used. How ISDN is ID different from DSL. Define groupware. What is the history of internet? Write two function of network layer. Define ring topology. स्क्रीन पे आप सारे क्वेश्चंस देख रहे हैं, जिसके डिफाइन FTP, describe MAN, define the term network topology. Why do you mean by LAN? State some uses of LAN. Define telnet. What is WWW? Unit 3. What is data communication and its component? What is receiver and transmission medium? What is encoder and decoder? What is signal and its example? Give two characteristics of analog signals. What is Unicode? What is serial and parallel transmission? What is communication satellite? Give three differences between broadband and baseband. Unit 4. How computer can help in marketing? What is ATM and its uses? Differentiate between CAD and CAM. Define computer. Added learning. What is e-banking? Write three types of e-commerce. Write any 5 benefits of computer. Unit 5. What is SRAM? What is computer architecture? Define memory address. What is cache memory? What is the role of main memory? What is bus interconnection? Define interrupt. What is ALU? What is the use of memory address register and memory buffer register? What is dynamic random access memory? What is stake register? Define motherboard. What is flag register? What is data bus? What is zero address instruction format? What is RAM is called a volatile memory. What is ROM is called non-volatile memory. Explain EEPROM. Differentiate between compiler and interpreter. Define operating system. What is CPU? Unit 6. What is biometric? How the virus is activated? Define security of data. What is the use of biometric in data security? Describe privacy issues. What is bot sector? What is hacker? What is privacy? What is logic bomb? Write the benefit of password. Give some examples of latest antivirus software. What do you know by computer security? Define red loaf virus. Write names of any 5 antivirus. Define backup. Give some causes of virus. What is copyright? Unit 7. What is multitasking? Define command line interface. Differentiate between multitasking and multiprocessing operating system. Write two events of keyboard. What is primary partition? Define user interface. What is the purpose of recycle bin? What is my document folder? Give some examples of GUI operating system. Differentiate between singular user and multi-user operating system. What is file management? List out different objects of Windows operating. What is meant by secondary partition? Unit 8. What is the use of word processor? Define page margin and page size in word processor. What is WYSIWYG? Describe the role of insert mode. What is word art in Word? Describe the insertion point in MS Word. List any two features of word processor. What do you know about indentation? Define the term word processing. What is paragraph formatting? What is mail merge? Unit 9. Define cell and how it is identified in Excel. List two benefit of spreadsheet. Define worksheet and workbook. What do you know about named ranges? Define function in MS Excel. Define formula in MS Excel. Name two types of charts used in MS Excel. Differentiate between relative reference and absolute reference. How can you merge cells? Define sum and average function. Differentiate between active and passive cells. How can we write cell range in MS Excel? Chapter 10. List out 4 domains with their types of institution. Write two limitation of email. How web pages are created. Distinguish between HTTP and FTP. What do you know about news group? State any two negative impact of internet on society. Define IP addressing. List name of 5 search engines. Name some ISPs in Pakistan. Describe ARPANET. Define the term uploading and downloading. What is meant by email attachment? What is meant by MIME protocol? Define new server. Define NNTP. List name of some popular web browsers. Differentiate between URL and website. Define internet. If you like this video, subscribe this channel and like our video. Good luck for paper. Thank you.